Hey guys, it's Mike, Marvel Woodworks by Mike. Wanted to show you a little behind the scenes look at what it looks like for me prepping for a video and what it looks like after 10 straight days of prepping for a craft fair. We were out in St. Paul, North Carolina this past weekend. We did pretty good, met some new people, learned a lot. So I've got a list of PDF type that I'll put down in the link if I can figure out how to share it with you. On what I learned at the craft fair or the craft show. Wasn't the only woodworker there, but hey, overall we did pretty good at it. I was pleased and wasn't a bust and learned a lot. So this is what my shop was like after, like I said, 10 straight daggone days of prepping for a craft fair. Hey Mike, he's back. But hey guys, just want to let you know, stay tuned. I've got that video coming up of the Milwaukee track song. So hope you guys tune back in.